To change your debit card on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Navigate to the account icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap on it. From the account menu, select Transfers. Then choose Linked Accounts from the list of options. You will see a list of all your linked accounts, including your current debit card. Identify the debit card you want to replace and swipe left on it. Then tap the Replace option. You will be prompted to enter the details of your new debit card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter the new debit card information carefully and accurately, making sure to double-check the details to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the new debit card information, tap the Save button to confirm the changes. After updating your debit card information, you may be asked to verify the new debit card by confirming a small test deposit made by Robinhood. This is a standard security measure to ensure the debit card is valid and belongs to you. To verify the test deposit, check your debit card statement for the small deposit made by Robinhood. Then enter the amount in the Robinhood app. This will confirm that the new debit card is valid and ready for use. It is essential to keep your debit card information up to date to avoid any disruptions to your Robinhood account activity. If you encounter any issues while trying to change your debit card, you can contact Robinhood customer support for assistance. Remember to always prioritize the security of your financial information and keep your debit card details confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. By following these steps, you can easily change your debit card on Robinhood and continue to manage your investments and transfers seamlessly.